Welcome to our channel. Today we how to save for client projects with Asana step by step clearly. Open Asana and log into your account. Create a new project dedicated to client projects. Name the project something clear and relevant, like Client Projects Savings. Choose a project layout that suits your workflow, such as list or board. Under your new project, create a task for each client project you have. For each task, add details about the project scope, deadlines, and expected costs. Use the due date feature to set deadlines for each project milestone. Attach any relevant documents or resources needed for the projects. Set a budget for each project by creating a custom field labeled Project Budget. Visit the custom field settings to add this field and set the format as currency. Input the budget amounts in each client project task. Create a task designated for tracking expenses related to each project. Regularly update this task with any incurred costs as you progress. Utilize the comments section of each task to document updates or changes. Assign team members to specific tasks to ensure collaborative management. Set reminders for approaching deadlines to keep everyone on track. Use Asana's reporting features to visualize your spending versus the budget. Regularly review and adjust your budgets based on project needs and performance. At the end of each project, conduct a review of the expenses versus the budget. Analyze what worked well and what can be improved for future projects. By following these steps, you'll have a structured approach to saving for client projects using Asana. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.